has gotten stuck in our window well about 3 times already. This is the 3rd time we're getting it out. And we're going to go take it by a different tree so it stops getting stuck. But it's really cute. Huh, Evie? It's really cute. And its mom keeps coming over here and checking it out, trying to get it out. Come here, birdie. Come here. Yeah, I know, I'm scaring you to death, but I don't want you to die in here. Come on, you should be used to this by now. There you go. Okay, get me another, I need another, yeah, so it doesn't get out of this one, so it doesn't go back in the window well. Can you get me one? Waiting until it calms down, so it doesn't hurt itself. Come on, birdie, stop trying to get out. It's for your own good. Okay, hold on. Thank you, Abby. Let's see if I can hold this and still record. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah! Crap! Got out of the net! No, because then it's just going to go back. If we don't go take it by the other tree, it's just going to get back in the window well. Again, hold on. Wait till I scare it out. I wonder if it's going to go out, bird, so we can scare you. No, you're not going to. Go walk over there and scare it back over here so I can try to get it with the net. Like, hit those bushes over there to the very left. No, not those ones. The ones. No, one's next to that. The ones to the left of that other tree that you were just shaking. No, very end by the stairs. Those little yeah, those ones. Those leaves, Evelyn. Yeah, that's what it's under. Okay, I guess we'll have to wait till it gets stuck in the window well again. Come check on it later. Hopefully it doesn't get out of my contraption that I thought was a brilliant idea, which obviously it wasn't. Yeah, next time I just need to grab it with my hand. Well, not grab it with my hand, I mean, like hold it in there with my hand. There's Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. She just earned her yellow belt in karate today, huh? You... The better you're doing, huh?
Yes, so I was on white, now I'm on yellow, so I'm doing better. If I get on orange, then I do better. If I get on purple, then I do better. If I get on the other color, then I have to get it all the way to black.
And you're going to practice a lot, huh?
Yes.
Can you show me Kempoe? Kempo B. Can you show me the 8 blocking system? Yes. proud of you.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay.